Alright guys, these are my babies. Let me get them in. Come on guys, come on wee ones. Come on wee ones.
Hey buddy.
Hey one, go on, go up there, get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on baby, get in there. Come on, wee one. It's your turn, girls. Come on. Come on, guys. It's your turn. Come on. Come on. Come on, your turn. These guys have been acting a little funny lately. But this is the first time I'm actually calling them in through an open door and not the trap.
I
just realized that.
I believe him. I believe my dad.
Alright, maybe this is good. Come on, baby. You gotta have that trust. Come on, wee ones. 3 of them left. Not bad for day one with the door open. Alright, guys. We'll do it old school for you 3, 2. Come up. When you want to sign your mic? Change your mic? Come on. Come on, we want. Alright. We'll have to work on that a little bit. Gotta work on it.
Hey buddy, I have a silly question.
Alright, guys. We're not gonna wait on you. We're not gonna wait on you. Come on. They're not gonna wait. Oh, you moved it. Moved it. Did you bump it? That's okay. Well, that's it. Peace.